National People's Party MDC for Mawryngkneng, Pyniaid Syiem was elected as the new Chief Executive Member of the Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council on Tuesday. Khadc Chairman Mawryngkneng declared Syiem as the Syiem of the council as there were no other contenders for the post. In his speech, the newly elected Syiem Pyniaid Syiem urged the MDCs to keep the interest of the public and the council as their priority. He expressed concern that many bills are pending in the district council affairs, though the bills are passed in the Khadc. Felicitating the newly elected Syiem, Titos Khan, who was the former Syiem, gave some words of wisdom to Syiem on politics in the district council. Newly elected Syiem said that the names of the executive committee members will be sent for approval to the governor, and he informed that deputy Syiem will be Congress MDC, Pyniaid and Syiem.
Kumbalong hapo GHDC but Garo Hills. Tengin penting kenai kata namaringi sutu ladakan deko terekam hapo ka establishment haki departments bapher kanwanra kajing deko terekam hadu bat kipai ba. Te bakanam kata ya kajing dunong yo pai ba haki benta bapher hangni po kisantli ki district te kini kisantel district ki bahab kajing pet jong KHDC in persyangkat bala ki badan kam let's say nadu ika judiciary ki badan kam hadu iki department ki office prepare kinim shemjing e then namar ta kadang dan kam ban strengthen dan kam ban penklai ya ka establishment jong ka council ni ringit.
Today, a special session of the Giant Hills Autonomous